fucked.
The truck is dead, my guys.
Bro, that smells like shit.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
Smell like gasoline?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck,
That is not, my guy. It's not good. You even know what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm a certified professional.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. One of the best ever doing it. What the fuck? I don't remember cutting this. All right, well, let's get started. Let's get our hands dirty. I'm taking off the bolts.
Nah. You forgot the most important step, bro.
What?
We gotta get our bitter water.
Oh, very true. Yes, okay.
Can't start without a
Pause.
brewski. Come on. All right, so we're back in the shop. After about, how long has it been? 9 months?
Mm-hmm.
Finally back in this bitch with a better camera.
So today we're gonna try the Fremont Interurban. Interurban.
Yes.
And I've actually had these before. They're pretty good. I forgot my hoodie sweater action today, so I'm just gonna borrow my uncle's.
In the Lost and Found
Lost
here
and
in the
found,
shop.
Just community.
Yes.
Community
Community sweater, you know.
You know, old wheels are here. If anybody wants them, they're for sale. Let me know. Go for $500 oboe. Let me know.
Wow.
Cheap.
Pretty
Gotta
cheap.
get 'em out the door.
All right, so first step, crack open the cold one.
Oh, it's an essential.
Yes, sir.
You gotta stay hydrated out here
If not, it's bad luck.
before you take the first sip.
Yep.
Okay, so for those of you at home watching that missed the first step, well, second step, if you have a 2000 to a 2006, maybe 99, I don't know right off the top of my head, but you can just bolt off this bolt right here. Literally, not even a tool required. You just take it off with your hand, and it just comes right off. Literally. Well, of course you gotta remove these little guys right here too. Oh, spider. Oh, where's the spider? There it is. You just kind of get it out there a little bit. And what you want to go ahead and do is pop these off right here. Commercial break.
I think we gotta look up a YouTube video. So in second thoughts. Anyways, these are actually pretty good. All right, so I guess step 3, after you take off that little bolt, you gotta look up a YouTube video.
Well, you see, it's quite simple, really. What you gotta do is just... So, you just take this little notch off, and it just pops right off. I'm sorry, I really feel like I'm underdressed for this this video today, as I am not wearing my pit vipers. There's some technical difficulties into the wrong house.
And he has a dad's shoes on.
You gotta be comfortable. Always be comfortable. Comfortability over fashion statement.
Wow.
Whatever.
There you have it.
There you go. That's the one. Now you just want to go ahead and...
Damn, check out these new bad boys right here though. These are about 28s.
Got these little hash peppers right here.
Got the painted drums.
Oh yeah. By the way, sorry they're a little dirty right now, but quick couple of mods since the last time we were here at the shop. We went ahead and slapped on a couple of 24s, you know, some light, not too crazy. We also went ahead and painted the brakes right here, the brake systems, you know, little action right there, you know. We also went ahead and replaced the third brake light right here, aftermarket. Ordered them straight off Amazon. Go ahead and take a look at these right here too.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. You know, so done a couple things since the last time we were on, but you know, we're gonna keep going. It's not over yet.
By the way, you gotta represent.
Gotta represent the Dodgers, you know, even though we're in Seattle, but you know, we're from LA, so we gotta represent the home team. And also, you know, new year, new club. So, is that the right side here? I do not have the right side. I now have the right side. So essentially, what you're gonna want to do is, to be honest, I really don't know where these go. I think these are like some aftermarket for this right here. Okay, because that lights up too, but I'm not really sure what the fuck that is. So we're just gonna go ahead and ignore that. Shit. So we're gonna go ahead and ignore that. Turn these hash peppers on. And it's that easy. It's literally no tools required. Like, anyone can do it.
Just go ahead and leave those dangling there.
Yeah.
No need to worry about
always
that.
leave wires hanging like that. Don't worry about that. Maybe smells, you know, something burning coming in through your dash. That's probably what it is. Nothing to worry about. Okay, where does these go to? So I got two of these little things here. I don't even know what the fuck they're for, but they came with the box. So we'll get to that later. Fuck.
Damn, bro.
Okay, like I said, we'll leave those there. Bring these over here.
By the way, where did you find these bad boys and how much were they? For people watching.
I actually got these at this one dude's name shop. I don't fucking know. I got it from some Asian fool at Encant. He actually refurbishes parts from Amazon and then he just flips them. I don't know right now off the top of my head what that place is called, but I'm pretty sure as soon as I find out, I will let you know, and we'll leave a link at the bottom of the screen. Okay, now.
Bro, that was my beer. You
was.
motherfucker.
Well, now I'm gonna have to finish it.
Bruh, no way. This fucking Rona season, bro, I don't even want to risk it.
Yeah, just
I don't know, bro. I don't even know if you have herpes or not.
Oh, there was this one time I met this chick in Tijuana, but that's in a whole other story.
All right. Don't do that again.
Take your thingy out.
No. Mine is slanted to the left.
I'll just take mine off.
Yeah, and get yours the fuck out of here.
Good beer though.
Psst.
The thing about drinking is, once I get going, it's hard to stop. So I'm gonna ask an expert real quick how to do this.
We've already fucked up. What happened here?
You thought.
Oh man, we were about to be fucked. All right, so I got the GoPro set up. If you ever forget a mount, go ahead and tape the fuck out of it. That's my pro tip. Hold on. You sure that's what we're supposed to do? Just shove the wires in there?
Yeah, so you
fuck it, see what happens.
Run the wires to the back here, and then.
You don't want to put the bottom one first so that you can see through the bottom?
No. He said that first you install this one, and then that one. He said he's gonna do it reverse cowgirl position.
Oh shit.
Could get a little messy.
Very nice.
But it's a crowd pleaser. You know, people love it. Young folks are doing it, and it just gets the people going. So you know, I'm just gonna give it a try and see. Hope for the best here. Fuck this shit. Is he on the right light? He's on the right light. He just runs them down here, and we get in contact with them.
Oh.
And
okay.
Just keep watching.
So now we're gonna install the bottom light.
All right, so change of plans. You do need tools. You're gonna have to splice some wires and shit. So
unless you want to cut the wires with your bare teeth, which I don't recommend.
no. If you do, disconnect the battery. Here comes the fun part. Looking for some wire cutters. All right, we found these dusty ass bad boys right here. You're gonna need some of these. Or you could just use a knife and full send it. Fuck it. Or one of these down here, you know. Or you could just use your teeth. You know, whatever floats your boat. All right. So what you gotta do, according to YouTube video. I forgot which is which. I think red is with blue. Your phone died?
Yeah.
Bro, how we gonna... We don't know what to do now. All right, anyways. Oh, shit. I think... Oh, my God. Bro. As I was saying... All right, now that they're nice and cut, you want to do brown with red, blue and black. And it'll look something like this if you don't have little three-way tap thingies. What you want to do, what I like to do, is I like to get half on one side, half on the other. Right, make a little Y. You're gonna do the same thing to this one. You damn ass right. And this one, do the same thing, about half here, half here. Gonna put them Oh, it's a little tight. Something like this.
Basically, you're gonna do like
twist them together. You know, a 3-way over here. You got a 3-way over here.
basically you're gonna do a scissor.
Yes, you want to scissor them together. Just like that. And then you want to join them together. And now what you want to do, want to fold it down to whichever way you want. Right there, it should look something like that. And now you wrap the tape around. So this little something like this.
The getaway and not use the
yes, this is the getaway.
Yeah,
it's not guaranteed to last, but it'll probably last as long enough to sell the car, you know what I'm saying? And then if they get some professional to do it, they're gonna be like, hey yo, what the fuck? But you know, we ain't professionals. There we go. So now you wrap isms, the wire isms with the electrical tape isms.
Also, since the last time we met, Brian got himself a tattoo. It's supposed to say 2020, but
yes,
it looks like it says Mexico.
Yes. Been a crazy year.
It sure is.
So, go ahead and double wrap them with electrical tape a little longer. That'll help keep the water out and shit. Well, that's pretty much what you do. And now, it should turn on, shouldn't it?
Yep.
All right, let's see. Did you even plug in the bulbs?
I did.
I don't think we... Oh, yeah, we did.
I did.
All right. Okay, they work. Yup. You see the high beams? Very nice. I see. Turn left. Wow. Right signal? Never mind. Right. I don't know. This bulb right here doesn't turn on for shit. On either of yours. I don't know why.
On either side?
I don't know what that's for.
Oh, hold on.
Nope. Whatever, you don't need that bulb anyways. Just for decoration. Alright, so we got one side done. You pretty much do the same thing to the other side. Probably gonna do a speedy time lapse of that one real quick. Wait a minute, I'm drinking from your beer now. Bruh. Oh my god, bro, we both got Rona. If you have Rona, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
we're fucked now.
Yeah, well,
if you got herpes, I got herpes.
My throat's been hurting since the morning. So.
Oh my god. No way. Yeah, bro, I took a fucking sip. Bro, you better be lying with that fucking throat hurting.
My throat really actually hurts.
What the fuck? Bro, I'm about to dump this shit out. Let's hope for the best. Man, I can't believe I did this.
You know, the funny thing is, I literally took off the cap and still did.
Yeah, mine was the left twist, but shit. All right, now we're even.
Delicious. Put mine over here.
Smart.
If you mix down here, a fucking jackass.
Oh. Right, like I said, we're gonna do a little speedy relapse of the second headlight. So, be right back. All right.
Oh, what the fuck? What is this?
Some fucking... Bro, these are fucked. He did a fucked up job, bro. Look right here. It's ripped on top.
What the fuck?
I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a electrical tape right there. Yeah, dude. I don't know what the fuck they... He's gonna have to take off that glass.
He tried to fucking...
Yeah, I think the glass just comes off right here, bro.
You think it just busts off?
Yeah. Damn, what an epic fail.
Wow, that's what that fucking dude... Damn, I almost said a racial slur, but you know, I'm not going to because I don't want this fucking...
You don't want the smoke?
I don't care about smoke. I just don't want the YouTube to, you know, flag this or whatever. But anyways, pretty sure you
Damn,
want it.
yeah, don't pull it all the way out because the red and black wire is going to be fucked.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. See, I'm improvising here, but I think
Damn, so that's what he did. He literally just repaired it with fucking electrical tape so you couldn't see the fuck up.
I guess.
Wow.
Oh, I think he fucking glued it, bro.
No way.
It should lift up and push out. Yeah, fuck that. I'm not gonna fuck with that. So,
Well,
we got an angry customer over here. Just gonna have to roll like that. Oh, shit. Wow. We are a few of these bad boys in, but fuck it. I guess just put it back and roll it with it like that. Yeah. Like, hey, yo, you see this shit right here? And then he gets real close, and then you go, bang! Fucking bash his head in there. No, but yeah, that shit's unacceptable.
Wow. Fucking
Just-
China. China. That's what you get with buying fucking parts in China. It is definitely colder than a witch's tit.
Very nice. All right, turn that bitch on. See.
How did I not see that before? What the fuck? How did I not notice that?
Bro, is your truck dead?
This is why it was probably like...
What the fuck? Damn. Oh, the running one is not on, my guy. Yeah, that shit ain't on. Let's see, flash high beams?
That's why it's so cheap.
No, it's still not on. Put the high beam. Yeah, high beams work. The other bulb is off. All right, so we're all done with the Mamalona. So yeah, Roy got a faulty ass headlight right there, and that shit don't work. Only the high beam. And you can see that right there. There's an electrical tape dangling down right there. So that shit is not good. Not good, but that shit looks hella clean though. Ooh. Yeah, so like we said last video, hopefully we'll start making videos more often, but this whole Rona thing got us fucked up.
It's been like a year now?
It's been about a year. So yeah, it's a damn shame. So yeah, this video is a wrap. That's pretty much it. New headlights are on. We got
back to
a half happy
that
customer.
dude that sold them to me. I'm not gonna be very happy, and I'm gonna get a new one. But anyways, yeah, it looks good. You know, the light bulb didn't work, but over and all, it looks pretty good, so I'm happy. And yeah, stay tuned to the next one.
Peace out.
Yo, wait.